Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, macOS 10, 14 or later and at least 4 GB RAM so containers run smoothly. Next, download the Docker desktop build that matches your chip Apple Silicon or Intel because images differ at the CPU level. Once downloaded, open the DMG and drag Docker to Applications. You'll be prompted to grant permissions. After granting, launch Docker so it can initialize resources and install its helper tools. This initial run sets up the VM and networking, which is why it must finish before you proceed. Once Docker is running, open Preferences and allocate CPU, memory, and disk space to match your project needs. Otherwise, containers may be slow or fail. Next, use Docker pull to fetch an image, then Docker run DP 8080, 80 image name to start a detached container and expose ports for host access. Make sure to mount volumes with V to persist data and pass environment variables with E for configuration. This combination ensures your container mirrors production behavior and that you can iterate quickly. To wrap up, verify running services with Docker PS, inspect output with Docker logs, and enter containers via Docker execut to debug interactively. When you're done, stop containers and remove unused images and volumes with Docker RM and Docker image prune to reclaim disk space. If networking or mounts misbehave, restart Docker. Make sure file sharing is enabled for your project paths. If problems persist, reset Docker to factory defaults as a last resort. This clears state and often resolves stubborn VM or network issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.